front of me is HAFURY Note 10, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sounds. So at first just open your phone dialer, then tap on the more icon and select settings. Here go to voicemail and click on notifications. Now click on advanced and mark sound. And here you can pick one from the following list. Let me show you all of them, starting with default notification sound. And let me choose, for example, Twitter's. Tap on OK, and that's it. It has been already changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.